Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to withdraw from WEEX to bank account 2026. First, open WEEX app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From there, select the Assets option, then click on Withdraw from the left side menu. This will take you to the withdrawal page. Keep in mind that WEEX does not allow direct withdrawals to a bank account, so you'll first need to transfer your crypto to an exchange like Coinbase or any other platform that supports crypto to fiat conversion. Now select the crypto you want to withdraw, for example Bitcoin BTC. Next, make sure to choose the correct network that matches your exchange, such as Coinbase. Then enter your Coinbase wallet withdrawal address, input the amount, and click Next to complete the transaction. Once the transfer is successful, your crypto will be received in Coinbase. From there, you can convert it into fiat currency and withdraw it directly to your bank account. And that's it! This is how you withdraw funds from WEEX to your bank account. That's it! This is how you transfer funds from WEEX to your bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.